And with that,
Batter of the Year, Sanju Samson.
good. So let's move in the middle. Thank you so much, Sanju. In fact, they're going to set up the chairs so you and I can take a seat. Go ahead, Sanju. You know, it was incredible because you get a chance to open the innings, you do incredible things, you score hundreds. And
setup. I think thanks a lot for inviting me here. It really feels special. And coming back to your question, yeah, I think when you wear that Indian jersey, I think you can't say no to anything. So I think I have really worked very hard to wear the jersey, and more importantly, to stay in that dressing room. I'll take a lot of pride in doing job for my country. So even if they want to bat me at number 9, maybe bowl some left arm spin, I think I'm happy to do that as well. So whatever job for the country, I think I don't mind.
I think that's beautifully said, actually, because you know, Sanju's laughing and saying, but it can be hard. It can be hard to be on the sidelines. We've known of Sanju Samson for years. You know, you've got spots of opportunity and then you wait by the sidelines. Mentally, how have you made yourself resilient to those sort of situations?
So, but I'm really proud of the person I am today. I'm really proud of the challenges which I went through as a person. I started off my journey when I was 19. I was picked for my country, and still now I am playing for that. And definitely I think you grow as a person, you grow as a player, and you learn a lot about your own self. So instead of focusing on the outside noise, I started a habit of focusing on my internal noise. So I wanted to work a lot.
Is there a lot of internal noise?
Sorry?
Is there a lot of internal noise? Because you're a shant person.
Definitely, when you are an Indian cricketer, you are going through a lot of internal noise. So I kept on working inward. I kept on focusing on my game, my character, my attitude, and when time came, I think by God's blessing, I went down and smashed 3 centuries in 5 innings. So what all can I wait for? So I'm very happy that happened, and very happy and very grateful for whatever I've received.
I continue to win trophies. I love the way he threw that in. In fact, you know what? I'm going to invite Varun Chakravarti and Shreyas Iyer back on stage to join us to have a conversation. Another segment of bat and chat between these 3 extraordinary cricketers.